that was the truck.
She took that in jail.
Oh my God! Yuck! Yuck! Yuck!
What is it? Let me see. Oh my goodness!
Take it out.
You even got Dexter. You even got Dexter all excited.
Audrina.
I know this.
It's for
Oh
your
my
Furby.
goodness!
You carry your Furby in it.
Look at the inside of it.
Oh, he bought me a real Furby.
It's not a real Furby, but Santa will bring you a Furby.
Will.
So you can put it in there. What else do you have?
You better see what else you got. Rena, what do you got, honey?
She'll be carrying her makeup in
Go
that
ahead.
tomorrow.
Oh, see what else you got.
Open it up.
Oh my God! I got a Cinderella doll.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my,
It's a
my.
I got a black one.
Oh, her
Oh, and SpongeBob, look at that. Oh, look at her having that thing.
She already knows.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. She's got me. Tears coming out my eyes.
You
Now,
have to open it up. Open it up. Open it.
Oh my gosh. What
oh
is
my
that?
gosh, what do you got?
Open it. Rip it open.
How do we open it?
And
Get a hold of it. Tear it open.
Audrina.
Oh, it rattles.
What is it?
Rip it open, Rena. We get in a hurry, man.
It's a CD.
A CD.
It's pink.
Pink.
You know who Pink is.
She sings the fight song.
I got Mitsubishis.
What else? Look. Open this one. I think you're going to like that one.
Oh my goodness.
I know, I see that. Reese's Pieces, baby. That just says, hey,
I
hey.
think she's going to freak out.
What is it?
I don't know, but I have to open it.
I don't know what it has to open it.
Wow. This stuff too. How do you open this?
Audrina, what's your blue bag?
Here it is.
I know, but
What
what
is it?
is it, honey?
What is it? Look at it. Look at the front. What is it?